So we looked at two multi-tools, at their features and tools and items that have been included in them, and now it's time to decide which one is better. And of course it's going to be my opinion. Yours may be very different, and I welcome any comments and suggestions, and why you think it's either for supporting my opinion or supporting your own. But my choice, first of all, I would say that both of these tools are great, and I would be glad to carry them into the wilderness, any of them. But if I have a choice, and I have a choice because these are both of them are my tools, my multi-tools, I would choose Surge for several reasons. First of all, as I mentioned, accessibility of the main tools, of the main cutting tools. On the Surge, the main cutting tools are available from the outside. That's my biggest, for me that's the biggest advantage that this tool has over the SwissTool, and that's basically the main advantage, because I really think that if you are sort of tired and probably cold, and your fingers are numb and you can't control them as well as usually, it is very important. Other than that, I think both of these tools are pretty equal, and well, the items on them differ a little bit. As I mentioned, I really like the chisel on SwissTool. I think that's a great thing. Oh yeah, and there is one more reason why I would choose Surge, and that is because of the saw that can be exchanged for a file, and I love this possibility to exchange these items, not only because it adds more tools, but I also like it because, just a second, let me take the file out. So here is the file that can be kind of put instead of the saw here, like this. Well, why I like that is that since I can remove this file from the multi-tool, unlike on the SwissTool, well, I can use it as a sharpening device for the main blade of my multi-tool, because obviously the main blade of the multi-tool will be the item that will be used most often, and sooner or later it gets dull, and having an opportunity to sharpen it in the field, I think is a great plus, in my books at least. So maybe let's put the file over here. But as I said before, both of these tools are great. These are great manufacturers, and I'm very glad to have both of these tools. Okay, thank you for visiting my channel, and see you.